Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson at MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm doing a video walkthrough of a boat that we have here on consignment. This boat is a 2019 XT23. This boat's pretty loaded out. It has the swim pad here in the back, and then it has the snap-in pad that can go in there, or you can keep it as a walkthrough. This boat is equipped with underwater lights, advanced audio, dual screen, rear view camera, Clish Tower speakers, 2 subwoofers, 2 dash speakers, and a total of 4 cockpit speakers. Has the rear flip couch, deck and its flooring, built-in cooler, built-in trash can, heaters. It's got the air down walkthrough, and I said before, the dual screen with navigation and rear camera. Has nice roomy bow. This boat's will seat 16 people. It's a great wake boat. Fantastic for surfing also. Great wake boat, great riding boat. This boat will water ski well, 23 feet. It's a great boat for, even for big water. Great cruising boat for you and 15 friends. It's got the Z6 folding tower with the wakeboard swiveling racks. So come on out and check out this MasterCraft XT23 2019. It does come with the trailer. This boat will be up on our website at MarineMax Greenville.com. You can call us at 864-236-905 or come to the store and check it out. It's a great boat. Super clean. 125 hours. So awesome boat. Great wake boat. Great boat for the summer. It won't be here long. So come on out and get this boat and get it on the water this spring. Thank you.